So I'm about to be stuffing my variable spending and my sinking funds and some savings challenges. I am going to be stuffing $700 from my July 31st paycheck, you guys. First thing I'm going to do is go through my wallet and see what money I have left. 20, 40, 45, 46, 47. So I have $47 left in me money. I'm just going to write that down so that I know what I'm doing. Dining out has $50 in dining out. I did not spend that money. So $50 in dining out. Car maintenance has nothing. Gas is a sinking fund, and it says that I have $125 left in gas. Groceries, I have 20, 25, 26. I have $26 left in groceries. Household, I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have $14 left in household. I am going to let this money roll over to household. Giving is a sinking fund. I have $18 in giving. Buffer has nothing. So we are going to begin stuffing. Me money is going to get $50. I am going to do two 20s and a 10 for me money. And this is me stuffing my money here. So let's add this. Okay, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97. So I just added $50, and that's $97 I have in me money. Okay. Dining out, I was given $20 to dining out, but it looks like I have $50 in dining out, but I'm going to give it because my grands have been over. So I'm just going to add the extra money. So I'm adding 20, and that's going to give me $70. 20, 40, 60, 70 in dining out for the week. Okay. Car maintenance is not going to get anything. Gas is not getting anything today. Food is going to get $150. So food is going to get, $300. I knew I gave, food is going to get $300. So I am adding 300 to food. So that is plus 300, and that gives me 326. 100, 200, 300, 320, 325, 326 is going into food. And that is it for me stuffing my wallet today. Now I'm going to go and stuff some sinking funds. And this is the Zippy Lux, everyone. How do we like it? I love the brown croc Zippy Lux. She is literally my favorite. I love it. There you have it. Okay. So first things first, I am going to get my selfie envelope. Selfie is going to get $30. So I'm going to do a 20 and a 10. And this is me preparing for my next hair appointment. So I'm going to add that money there. So I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110, 120, 125, 26, 27. So I have $127 in selfie. And I just added $30. Okay. And I am going to give luxury $50. Y'all, I'm working on this luxury envelope. I am working, and this is for shopping. 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 160, 170, 171, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 177. So $177, and I added 50 to my luxury shopping. And this just goes for any shopping technically, but the word luxury is motivating to me. So let's see. So I'm not giving anything else into this sinking fund binder. So home maintenance is going to get $30. So I'm going to do a 20 and a 10 for home maintenance. I am trying to build this up. You guys, I got a new roof on my house. Well, it was a couple years ago, but still, they're supposed to last forever. And during the storms, a leak in the back bedroom. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. But the good thing is it should be covered. So I'm waiting for the roofers to come out, but I still have to repair the damages inside the house. Now, if it is their faulty error, they need to be talking to me about covering the damages inside my house, because that was the whole reason I went with them to get my roof. So I'm not even going to get bent out of shape about that. Let me see if there's anything else in here that I want to give money to. Dress, Ramadan, Jenna, home maintenance, selfie, lawn care. I thought no car maintenance, medical. I didn't do medical. See, I did this out of order, which sucks. I shouldn't have, but okay. So far, I do know that I'm going to put $10 in our id sinking fund. This is for our Islamic holiday. Just trying to save up for this. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 110, 115, 16, 17, 18, 19, $119. And that was plus 10. Okay. And what else do we have here? Tech, giveaway, Black Friday gifts, travel. Travel was going to get $25. So let me put 25 in travel. I am really focusing on building back up my sinking funds just to be prepared for expected and unexpected expenses. So 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 220, 225, 230, 235. So 235 in travel, and I added $25. Okay. And that is it for this sinking fund binder. So my Jenna Boo is going to get $15. And I don't know what's going on with her. She has just really been different lately since her last vet appointment. I don't know why. So Jen has 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63 in Jen's envelope. I'm not sure what's going on with her. But, I mean, I hope she's in great health. We love her dearly. So her blood work came back fine. All right, so car insurance. So car insurance is going to get $40 because I have to be prepared. My car insurance premium is coming up. I pay that twice a year. So let's see, $40 for car insurance. We got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 320, 340, 350, 355, 360, 365, 370. So 370, and I need $850 to pay my car insurance premium. So hopefully I can get this money in here by the time it's due. Lawn care is going to get $30. These $10 bills are crisp, so I'm just going to. So lawn care is going to get $30, and I think I'm due to pay the bill for my lawn care, so that's $35 that I have in here now. So I added 30. I have to check the mail. They usually mail me the bill, put it in my mailbox, so I have to see if it's there. So that is it for this envelope here. So far, let me just check. I didn't do much. I did travel, lawn, selfie, home maintenance, Jenna, food, dine out. I didn't do the grandkids. Let me see what I have left. I did me money, car insurance, and I did luxury. Let's see what we have left. I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. So let's see what we're doing in the kids binder. So Bug and Frap is not getting anything. Dress is getting $20. But I'm going to stop buying stuff for my kids. They burn me out. Like, I'm going to just stop altogether. Like, you're not getting anything, which is fine. I'll put that money to home maintenance. 20, 40, 50, 55. They need to work and earn their money. Like, I'm working like a slave to just give it to them. Nope. My daughter does work, though. She helps me out with So Crafty Sanaa. So I did dress. Toiletries is going to get $10. And this is just for personal items. So I now have $70. You guys, let me tell you, I always use natural deodorant, right? But what I've been using, and it works like nothing other, is pure lime juice. So I will squeeze a lime, make sure I strain it to get all the pulp out, put it in a spray bottle, and I spray that under my arms, a couple sprays under each arm, and it's been working. And I've been using it for about a week now, and yes, love it. Okay, so if you guys want to just cut the cost of deodorant because it's going up, lime. But you also have to make sure you shave the hair though. Okay. Okay, so $20 for grands. That's my tip of the day. I'm going to put that on the screen. So we have 20, 30, 35, $36 for grands. So that is $36 in grands. I'm sorry, they just keep calling my phone. Okay, $36 in grands. So I'm going to mark that off. So I think I've did everything except for my savings challenge, and I was supposed to give $10 to Ramadan, my Ramadan sinking fund. I'm also going to do my $5 savings challenge too. So I'm going to go back through my wallet and pull. I'll do that separately. So Ramadan is going to get $10. And I thought I started building up my Ramadan. Yes, I was about to say, where is the money? Okay. What is this? Oh, this is the envelope that I would put for my wallet. So I'm just going to throw that back there. So Ramadan we have, I'm going to add $10. And this is saving up for the month of Ramadan to eat out. 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67. So we'll see what we have by the time the next Ramadan comes around. I haven't been consistently putting money in this envelope, but I do want to get prepared. I'm not going to be eating out, but I do want to get prepared. And I still have to pull out my reward cash. My reward cash so far from January to June, and I'm missing 2 months. So from January, February, May, and June, my reward cash is $1,576.56. That's why I spend on my credit card, okay? Leverage your credit. I put it in my last video about an article where a rich guy paid on his American Express for some like $1 million painting, but look at the cashback rewards he got for that. So let's just, it works. Okay, next is, let me take a look at my monthly savings challenge. So I will say this, for August, one of my viewers, thank you so much, because I could not understand why in the world would I put $60 a teddy bear. That's $1,500 to save for August. I'm not going to do that. But what I will do is, so these are wipeable. You use a Sharpie. Alcohol, you can just wipe it off. And it comes right. I can't get the darn alcohol out. There it goes. It's not coming out. It has to be alcohol. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to make each teddy bear. I want to be a little bit more realistic. I'm going to make each teddy bear $15. Now, I'm not contributing to it today because I did not put it in my budget to do, but I wanted to correct that. So far, I've done my January challenge, but I did not complete it. But so what? I'm still doing it. February's, I did not complete it, but so what? I saved money. Okay, I can't say that for March. April, I did pretty good. May, not so good, but I'm still saving. June, I nailed it, but it was $5 of ice cream cone, so I can't really brag though. July was like a total fail, but I saved some money. So August, let's see. So it's 25 squares, right? So let's see. 15 times 25 equals $375 is the amount I can save. So that should be doable. I'll work on that. It's August. All right. So I'm not contributing to this pay period. Life be lifing. So like I said, I'm having another grandbaby. So I am doing my baby fund. So each stroller is $20. So today I'm going to put $40 in there because I'm saving up to buy a gift for the baby. So the baby isn't due till September, towards the end of September. So I have a little bit more time to budget for the baby gift. So I'm putting $20 more into the baby fund. My goal is, I believe, $500, but we'll see how that plays out. So I've stuffed all of my sinking funds and my savings challenges, $700. Now what I'm going to do is, this is my other savings challenge binder. This is my old one that has a lot of the 1052 weeks, and the pink budgets challenge, the pink bronze, which I need to do, but my $5 savings. So what I'm going to do is look through my wallet and see any fives I have left over from last week. I'm going to take those fives out. So I have a 5. So let me minus out that 5, and I'm going to do $5 savings. Let me write it down. So $5 save. So minus 5, that's going to leave me 92. Okay. Dining out, I don't have any 5s in dining out. Car maintenance has nothing. Gas does have a 5, so I'm going to do it with gas too, even though it's a sinking fund. It's in my wallet. So $5 save minus 5, that's going to leave me 120. Okay. Wait, I didn't take the 5. Okay. Groceries, let's see if we have any 5s left over. We have 1 5 coming out of grocery. So we're going to do the $5 save minus 5, and that's going to leave me 321. So I just take any leftover 5s and put it into my $5 savings challenge. Household, let's see if we have any 5s in here. No 5s. And I'm not going to do it from giving, because I purposely get 5s so I can give money away, like tips and things. So far I was able to take $15, and I am going to put that in my $5 savings. Now, I don't count the 5s. I'll wait to the end of the year. I forgot all about it, but I'm going to start working on some of my old savings challenges that I made envelopes for. And this is a lot of Taylor Budgets and Rochelle Adamson Budget Challenge. I made envelopes to their challenges, and like I said, pink budgets, along with the challenges I have. So it's called a challenge for a reason. So there you have it. I'm saving money all around the board. Now, you know what? I could have put that $15 into my monthly savings challenge binder, but they were 5s, so I can't do that. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for tuning into my video. Please stay tuned for my next video. Bye.